Today I will show you another way to create infographic. Create Fusion composition, place it on the timeline and switch to Fusion. Add background node. Using merge, connect another background and set the color. Connect rectangle and adjust the size. There will become the infographic bars. Reduce the level parameter to 0.5 and move the bar to the left side of the screen. Add transform node and move the animation center to the base of the bar using the pivot parameter. Disable use size and aspect. Set Y size to 0 and add keyframe. Move to frame 40 and increase the value to 1. Open spline and smooth the animation. Add duplicate node, set the desired number of copies and distribute them using the center parameter. Set time offset -3. Create horizontal grid lines by adding another background node and set the color. Repeat the same steps as before. Now create graph. Add background node, set the color. And connect a polygon node. Draw polyline so each point in the center of the bar and the space between bars. Set border width parameter. Go to the beginning of the animation at keyframe and create an animated graph revel. Add glove node and adjust the effect. Add text node to label the vertical and horizontal axes. Use keyframes to create stage appearance of the labels. Done. To learn even more about capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to channel.